Good morning, children. In my today's session, in today's video, my topic of discussion is quiz yourself. Children, actually, it was my topic of one of the topic of discussion in the last video. I was started with this topic, but just because of some interruption, sound problem occurred. That's why this portion is incomplete in the last video. That's why, children, I am repeating that last portion, quiz yourself, in this video only, where some questions are given to you. You have to give answer of that. So, children, let's start the session. Let's begin the session with those questions. Number 1. What is the full form of WTO? World Trade Organization is the full form of WTO. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin is the capital of Germany. Number 3. Which political party does Narendra Modi represent? Bharatiya Janata Party is that party which is headed by Narendra Modi ji. Which of this is not a style of embroidery? Children, actually, embroidery is a part of kadhai and it is having some name. Some specific embroidery is having some specific name also. So here some embroidery name is given. It is asked which one is not the part or style of an embroidery. Chikankari, tarkari or tarkari, and lastly kashidakari. Tarkari is not the part of or style of an embroidery. In 2014, an airliner going to Beijing from Kuala Lumpur disappeared over the Gulf of Thailand with 239 people on board. Which airlines did the plane belongs to? Answer: the plane belongs to Malaysian Airlines. In 2014, one of the plane of Malaysian Airlines going to Beijing from Kuala Lumpur disappeared over the Gulf of Thailand with 239 people on board. Number 6. In which modern day country was Prophet Muhammad born? Prophet Muhammad was born in Saudi Arabia. Number 7. Who holds the title of most French Open wins as well as the nickname King of Clay? Children, Rafael Nadal is known by King of Clay, is the most French Open winner player. Tennis player, I must say tennis player. Clay court tennis player. In which country was the 2014 FIFA held? Children, as you know, FIFA is the one of the world famous prestigious football tournament. So, in 2014, FIFA was held in Brazil. In which Indian city will you find the Bannerghatta National Park? Children, Bengaluru is the city where we find Bannerghatta National Park. What does the Roman numeral capital M, X and V stands for? The Roman numeral Capital M, X and V stands for 2015. In which planet's orbit the NASA's Juno aircraft entered on 4th July 2016? Jupiter is the planet in whose orbit NASA's Juno aircraft entered on 4th July 2016. Which of the following pairs of the countries do not share a border? Option: French Germany, Iraq Iran, Nepal Bhutan. Children, Nepal and Bhutan are the pairs of countries. They do not share a border. Who is the first woman to become Chief Minister of West Bengal? Children, Mamata Banerjee is the first woman to become Chief Minister of West Bengal. Number 14 question. What is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok is the capital of Thailand, children. Number 15 and the last question. On which day is Labor Day celebrated? You all know, children. In all over India, Labor Day in each year is celebrated on 1st of May. Thank you so much, children. Take care of yourself. This much is for today's session.